is our microtechnology, and then this is our scentware cartridge. So you keep this, and this is replaceable. There are 9 chambers for the different scents, and then this just plugs into here, clicks in, and then the scents come out of these plates that vibrate. So it's not fans, it's not heating it up. The liquid is just like slowly vibrated.
So those little dimples are the plates?
Yep, and then they aerosolize. It's like they 10 millisecond or like 1 millisecond is
release.
Burst. Yeah. And so this can connect over Bluetooth and also over serial port, which is also how you can charge it.
Okay, cool. So that's actually how you charge it, is you charge it through that side port?
Yep.
Okay, cool. And what's the typical usage for it daily in terms of hours?
It depends on the use case, but we have some clinicians that do it for multiple sessions.
Okay.
And they'll use it in their practices for integrative health and detox and rehab, as well as just regular patient wellness.
Okay, and are you guys stating pricing, or is this just a model that's based on monthly subscriptions to the pods?
Yeah, so it's a contracted yearly annual contract.
Okay.
And it comes with the content, it comes with this device here,
okay,
a year's supply of our scentware cartridges, and the Pico headset.
Got it. Okay, so it's like a whole bundle.
Yeah, turnkey solution.
Got it. Okay, cool.
Yeah.
And there's the guy doing it right now. You got to kind of take your mask off to fully appreciate it. But yeah, it was a really cool experience. You got to smell it to believe it.